I think that here today, we're kind of nearing the end of the half hour here. You had a couple of examples that you wanted to go through too.
Sure. Before I do want to touch just on point. We talked about connectivity.
Mhm.
Um, I haven't seen anything Ignition can't talk to out of the box. That being said, we know a lot of customers have they've got a footprint existing with like a Kepware,
Mhm.
or using something like a high byte, or device-wise. So that very low layer of connectivity doesn't have to go away, because if you've already collecting that data, Ignition can go ahead and hook into those systems and start consuming that data right out the bat. So you're not doing a full reconfiguration of your systems. And there's an edge component as well, more lightweight than the gateway, um, but is designed to work either as an HMI or a data collection point right at the edge, connected to your field devices. Um, but yes, I know we're getting very close. I did want to go through just a couple of examples. Um, so in this dashboarding example, right, we had a customer who wanted to monitor basically 100 plus similar machines on their shop floor. So these were machines that were spinning material for an automotive application, uh, and as such, they needed to be restocked once the material ran out. Obviously, if you wait for it to run out and not have it prepped, there's downtime associated with it, and that material usage varied greatly between the product that was running, or being made, and the material that was being used. So we actually worked with the customer to incorporate their material usage algorithm into what we called a machine UDT, or user defined type. So a new station could be added by just adding a new instance of this UDT, and all we did was just call out the base. They were using OPC DA, so the base OPC tag. Um, we also created a templatized Ignition perspective view, and then created a dashboard that was able to display n number of those templates. And again, that was based on the number of machines connected. So basically, in short, what we did was create one editable dashboard element and one editable data acquisition element that was used as a base. And then we would
Mhm.
cascade that out, and any changes made to that base, enhancements to the algorithm, updates on the visuals, those changes would be immediately updated throughout every instance of that template. So it didn't matter how many machines were added or removed. Once that data acquisition layer was completed, which is again just basically add a new station as an instance of the UDT, the system would automatically update the dashboard without any sort of manual intervention. Um, so this gave the operations visibility not only into the amount of material remaining on their machines, but also the running status of machines, the product that was running on each individual machines, and the tooling setup on each of those machines, along with the ability to schedule and or activate, deactivate each machine based on outside information from their existing ERP.